Hello, welcome to the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret. This is
April.
This is the healthy smoothies that we're going to be doing. Well, we have 3 in fact that we're going to be doing. So April's going to read the ingredients of what we need on the first one. This one is the acid reflux smoothie.
And you're gonna need 1.5 cup diced fresh pineapple, 1 banana, 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of ice, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice or water, and blend.
Okay, so I'm just getting my banana ready into our blender. And I have everything ready, the 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of ice, and 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. There you go. And we're gonna blend until smooth. Okay, April's gonna be our little tester here. There you go, ma'am. Try that out.
I could taste the
This one is the acid reflux smoothie. So it's real good for if you have acid reflux and you're burping or whatever, it's a real good calming effect for acid reflux.
And the pineapple, we can use any kind of pineapple?
Yes, but it's better to use fresh pineapple if you have that. Have some in a can, that's fine too, but preferably the fresh cut. So, is it good?
Yes, you
Did
can.
you like it?
Yes, you can taste the pineapple.
So you have like 2 servings here. You can have one in the morning if you want, or if you start burping it again, or you have acid reflux real bad, you can drink it again. So simple to make, less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna be doing the next one and we'll be right back. Okay, we're ready for the second smoothie of the day. This one's called Orange Feel Better Smoothie. So this one is gonna be read again by April on our ingredients that we need.
Okay, you're gonna need 1/2 of banana
Right,
and 1 tablespoon of honey,
right.
1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon,
Hold on. I'm just gonna. Quick tip: if you pour some of that spray oil onto your spoon or a cup, your honey will just fall right out. Just a quick tip there.
1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon,
There you go.
and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then you're gonna need 1 cup of orange juice,
1 cup coming up.
and then 1.5 cup of ice.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Get this ready. So this one is good, like if you have a cold for the winter season.
So if anyone's sick, they could drink this.
This is perfect for it. Or you're starting to feel weak around the house and blah at school and you just need a pick-me-up, this one is good for it. Orange You Feel Better Smoothie. How does it taste? It's good?
You could taste the cinnamon first.
Right? So good. Okay, we're gonna start cleaning up on this one. We'll be right back to do the last one. We're back. The last one, the best one. It's Slimming Detox Smoothie. So April's gonna read the ingredients.
You're gonna need 1 banana
1 banana. Okay,
and 1 large pear.
1 large pear. Now you can use an apple if you don't have a pear or you don't like pears. Okay,
And 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of
romaine lettuce,
romaine lettuce,
the best one too. This is good lettuce.
and 2 juices of the lemon.
Okay,
Juice.
yeah, you just squeeze it out. Now if you don't want seeds in there, I don't, you can squeeze your lemon up like that, so that way all your juices will fall and your seeds will still be in the little lemon. Okay, and what else?
And 1 cup of celery.
Okay. There you go.
And 1 1 teaspoon of honey.
I'll just eyeball it. Okay.
And 1 cup of cold water. And can we put ice in it?
Yes, you can put ice in it to make it a little bit thicker, and of course cold too. All right, so we're gonna blend it now. Here it is, the last one. This one's a Slimming Detox Smoothie. And tell me what. I think everybody wants some of this one. And tell me what you think. This is supposed to be 2 servings, so you can drink 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, so you don't crave any kind of foods, munchies, whatever. Well, it's good.
Yes, you could taste the lettuce and the spinach. You can actually taste it.
And the lemon too?
The lemon, you could taste it a little bit, but you could smell it.
Yeah.
The lemon's very strong.
Right. So this is also very good for energy. You'll have that energy going all day long. Okay, so here it is, our last one. Hope you like our little smoothies, what we just did for y'all, and enjoy if you do make them. Once again, thank you for coming. Bye-bye.